looks like just a tenth. Just enough to keep things wet and sticky, but not enough to do much. Maybe there's a package.
Maybe. We'll see.
I still haven't ordered anything though, so it would be a package for Dawn. Oh, there is something.
Packages.
Way cool.
Yeah.
Me and the kitties are missing. There's no dry place for us to sit down and snuggle this morning.
And one's for me.
Well, I knew they were going to be for you. Still cool, because that could in turn be good for me.
That's right.
Project stuff.
Project stuff.
Hey, Gray. Tux is going good. He's doing what he's been doing past couple weeks. He's just kind of hanging on the back step during most of the day, which is good. Which is totally good. His scabby's got a little itchy on him last night. I had to try to encourage him not to mess with them. Trying to think of what lubricant I could put on the scabs to soften them up a little bit so they might not itch so bad. I'll have to think about what might be safe for a cat, because they're pretty dry, and I'm sure that's why they're itchy at this point. So our weather today is, you know, that cloudy, yucky, looks like it might rain any second. Yeah, good thing I don't really want to do anything outside today. I'm just headed to Guardian Angel to meet Michelle. Bring on that Halloween stuff, I'm hoping. Hey girl, oh, and you got on your new shirt too. Here, I'll pop the trunk, set them in the red thing for me.
Okay.
You know, so they won't slide.
Yep.
It's dishes. Michelle has her stash of things that I acquired for her since we've last seen each other.
Goodies, goodies, goodies.
Oh, and here's the,
Oh,
that's for, I decided Devin,
okay.
because he's the one with the interest in cooking.
Oh, he loves to cook. Thank God.
Well, right off the bat, we've seen these really nice swimsuits and water shorts. Is the short $6 too?
They're $3.
$3, so it'd be $9 for brand new swim stuff. They often get new stuff in here, and they do put those special tags on them so that you know, you kind of know. They buy closeouts and then they sell them here at a good price. Well, this is $4 and appears not to have been opened, and if Johnny doesn't have any interest in putting it together and setting it off, I will. I still have the rocket I put together in the 3rd grade, and we had like a launch party outside and it went up one time. I still have it, so yeah, I'd be happy to put this together. Miss Mary said they're just starting to put out the Halloween stuff next door. Let's go check it out.
Already at my house.
Michelle said, I see some pumpkins, but we have to look at the jewelry first.
Yes. Oh,
This is a music box. You wind it and it goes around. I hope it sells before it breaks. Might be too late. Well, there's a bag with our names on it waiting for us to check out, and that's all we're going to say about the jewelry counter today. I guess it's a good thing this isn't big enough or it would have to come home with me. I think that is the cutest. That's cute. Power couple pumpkin and spice. Oh, they do have some cute stuff today. I really like getting nearly first dibs on the new linens. That is too cute. Stuff. Michelle and I pretty much cleaned out the, I'd say the cart with the linens has about half what it had on it before we came over here. It says, be happy this Halloween. I'd say we're off to an excellent start.
pellets.
Oh, that's sweet. Are they resin or stone? How heavy?
Stone.
Okay.
They're cheap stone.
I don't iron, but that is the coolest ironing board cover I have ever seen. Ever go anywhere and buy new bed risers, because every thrift store in America has several different varieties to choose from for cheap. That's an awesome fall tablecloth, but it's got rounded edges and I can't do rounded edges. Bummer. How's it going? You got a handful of stuff?
Here and there.
That's cute. It's a run shirt. I have a turkey trot. Raleigh turkey trot's what it is. It was a run. It was a race. It's very cute. I found something you might
Let's see.
want. I don't care if you do or you're not,
I
but
do.
check it out. Falls glasses and a Falls price, but they're in great shape and I've not seen those before. I've seen the plates. I guess somebody donated the coffee mugs too. That's an interesting painting. Makes you want to know her story, you know. Michelle picked out for her a shirt that I like. When it doesn't fit, it's too big, you know, pass it this way.
you want it
No. Michelle bought a big jewelry grab bag and we checked it out together. That was nice of her. Nothing to write home about, but we were pleased with what we got, so. Bye! See you next week! Bye! I think we increased our longest time. I think today is a new record, but it was awesome. Well, I guess FedEx is getting a phone call because they left our meat out here at the street. Butcher box. I cannot believe that. Obviously is not. So that was the third box. That's the second replacement box. Butcher or FedEx had basically destroyed the last two coming, which is of no cost to us, and I assume covered by insurance for Butcher box. I mean, I know our driver didn't leave it, our regular driver didn't leave it down there. The only good thing I can say is it shipped out yesterday, so apparently this time they actually managed to get it to us in a timely fashion. I hear Don listening to a podcast. Hey, Donnie. So guess where our Butcher box was?
At the driveway mailbox?
Oh, yes. I'm going to call somebody at FedEx is going to have a very irate housewife.
It couldn't have been there long because I only come by there maybe at most 20 minutes ago and I did not see it.
Right, and I give our usual really nice driver the benefit of the doubt that he didn't do something so stupid.
Yeah.
Would you like to get it out of Ruby's trunk? Because it is a rather heavy 50-pound box, or I don't know how much it weighs, but it's not light and it's bulky. Thank you. Well, I have to go inside and look, but one of our friends just tipped us off that Teslafy and other third-party apps have been blocked by Tesla from accessing the car's data sometime today. That would be devastating to me,
yeah,
unless Tesla's going to provide the same level of stuff. I guess I wonder a little bit if some of those apps contributed to the MCUs dying faster because of pinging the car more often, and then Tesla has to answer to why cars have more or less vampire drain. But let's come up with a good story and work together. Blocking is not the answer to that.
Right.
So that I don't know if it was on purpose, or like you had learned when you listened to that podcast the other day, that sometimes Tesla changes stuff and it just trickles down and then it affects these third-party things and they have to scramble. It may not have been that Tesla did it on purpose.
That's right.
Hard to know. So I'll go in the house and check for us, and we'll be watching that story to see, because I really would be devastated if we couldn't get that same level of data about at least our road trips. I mean, it helps me and Don. We're old. We need our memory jogged about stuff.
Yeah.
We need a way to look things up.
I agree totally.
I would be upset. So
That's right.
Don's chinkering at the workbench. I love it when he does that. I vacuumed all the leaves off of the garage floor. I can't even imagine this is just the start of leaf season. Johnny does have Taekwondo tonight, but I'm going to go out and blow the leaves out from underneath Ruby, so when I roll her in, I won't be rolling leaves in. So I saved all my Guardian Angel stuff in the house to show you when you come in. I know you are thrilled to see all of my Halloween and fall finds.
That's right.
I'm sure you cannot wait.
That's right. I cannot wait.
Well, today's the day. It's time for bag 10 with R2-D2. It's the final bag, and there's not too many pieces this time. Not too many at all. All right, R2-D2's done, and guess what? Well, we knew this was coming, right? His head does spin, so that's really cool. I got the rest of the stuff on the top. This is a minor disappointment, and I'm going to emphasize minor. There's a plate here that is a special R2-D2 hologram plate. And there you can see it really is a plate that has a sticker on it, although it didn't. I think you actually even had to apply the sticker to the plate. That's what this little icon is indicating, that a sticker would go on there. So that's missing, but that's no big deal. Maybe they sold it. That sticker might have been worth some money. Sometimes there's a company on eBay that will reprint these stickers and charge you $2 or $3 for them. And that being the case, I have those plates in multiple colors. And I have the frame and the little R2-D2 minifigure and everything. So I might look into trying to print that sticker. We'll see. It's not a big deal. I don't know that I really, wherever I'm going to display R2-D2, that I have room off to the side for that plate anyway. But he's cool. I love him. He's so cool. Well, I'm a little bit distressed, but my time lapse, my phone, it wasn't started. I thought it was, so I don't have the section where I put on the rest of his head. But this was a lot easier than yesterday because it was 4 or 8 pieces and you just kept on circling around the top and putting them on. Again, the contrast on the computer with that dark blue was really hard to tell when they were putting blue on blue pieces sometimes, just in general on this project. But today, since it was very symmetrical going around, more so than yesterday, it wasn't too bad. Sorry, we lost the time lapse. Wow, I don't think we've ever had an Amazon Prime vehicle before. I'm sorry, Ruby's in the way. I wasn't expecting anybody this late at night. I'm sure they can sort it out. So, the Amazon Prime driver in the official Amazon van with an Amazon uniform on.
Wow.
He said there's a new station out this way. And if I've not seen one of those vans before, he's showing up at my house because of the new station. So I don't think that'll be the last Amazon Prime van we'll be seeing.
Right.
Well, now that we got the warehouse in Garner.
Yeah, that's right.
I mean, we really ought to see some spread out from there. So one of these days, just to see what it does, I'm going to have to try to order something from Whole Foods. Because I understand we can do that now, even though we're like way far away from Whole Foods.
Right.
I guess we're not outside the delivery area anymore, though. So
Right.
It was a Ford.
Okay.
The van was a Ford, and it made a really obnoxious backup noise so it wouldn't run over anything by accident. And the cats like flew. Well, that's what I want. I want my kitties to always fly away into the woods from delivery vehicles. So
That's right.
But all 3 of them. Yeah, poor Don, he was sleeping when the driveway alert went off. Johnny was totally quiet, went to the garage to do his taekwondo. Didn't wake up Mr. Don or nothing, and then the delivery came. It's 7:05 he came. I mean, it's late for a delivery, I would think.
Where were you shopping?
I don't know. I was counting on Teslafy telling me, so I didn't pay attention to when I went in and when I came out.
Oh, no.
I know, seriously, right?
I can't go check up on you and see how long you've been shopping?
No, apparently not today. You can't. It's really upsetting.
Well, I didn't have
I guess I could look at the times I recorded the videos.
Yeah, but I didn't.
Like when Michelle was saying goodbye at Guardian Angel, and when I said hello to Michelle, and I can do the math myself, but I rely on Teslafy for that kind of stuff, and it's still down.
Yeah.
I'm not pleased. I'm giving the whole thing until tomorrow to sort itself out, or I'm tweeting Elon.
Right.
I mean, I am. Don't mess with me.
That's right.